everybody, I'm Mike. Thanks for joining me. Today I'm going to jump on the Christmas ornament bandwagon. I'm going to use this piece of Crepe Myrtle and those pieces of red oak. I'm not going to tell you exactly what I'm doing. You're going to have to watch to the end or fast forward to the end, whichever. That works too. But I've had this Crepe Myrtle. I wanted something somewhat plain, not too much figure in it. And what I want to do, I had to get some lumber from Lowe's, because the wood I have now I can't cut the way I need it. I don't have a bandsaw to cut it the way that I need it to be. So I just got those pieces of red oak. It's kind of boring, but I'll add some stain or something to make it interesting. And anyway, yeah, it's the first time I've done anything like this, so wish me luck. I don't think this is too bad for my first attempt at a snowman, especially with traditional tools. I'm used to using my carbide tools. They made me lazy, but I'm trying to get better at the real ones. They're not real ones, you know what I mean. So I'm going to clean this up with some sandpaper, because I can't get in there with the skew or anything else. Probably could, but I'm not comfortable with it. So I'll probably put my mask on. There. Not worried about it poking a hole there, because I'm going to put a hook in it anyway. And I sanded that to 400. Cleaned it off with some denatured alcohol, and I'm going to put some sanding sealer on it, a couple coats. Let that dry, and I'll put a couple coats on, and I'll bring it back. I'm going to sand it lightly with 400 again, just to get rid of the little nibs or whatever you call them. And then we'll go with some paste. Alright, now we'll hit it with some Axe Abrasive sanding paste. Alright, very nice, very nice. Alright, now we're going to polish it up with some Axe restoring polishing paste. I'm going to finish this the way I did the rest of it, so I'll bring you right back. Well, that's ugly. We'll fix that. Get some CA, glue these in here. Don't drop it, don't drop it. Carrot. He's got a big nose. Not too bad. Yep. Figured it out yet? What you think? There we go. Hopefully it'll stay. Hopefully it'll stay, but can you see? It's supposed to be smoke coming out of his pipe. We'll see. Well, I came out this morning, it's another day, and I was gonna finish up the inside out part for the snowman, but I don't think it's gonna quite work. He's a little too big for what I was wanting to do. I'm just gonna finish him off as an ornament, and we will revisit that again with something else. But yep, let's finish him up real quick. Alright, well, here's my first snowman. What do you guys think? I kind of like him. Again, I used a chopstick. The pointy end I sanded down for his nose. This is the back end for his pipe, and I just used a twig for the stem there. And the smoke is a shaving from a resin project that I did, the last one, the green bowl, green resin and oak bowl. And then for the eyes and the buttons, I just used, like you saw, it's a piece of old burnt firewood, twigs for the arms. He's got a little arm shorter than the other, kind of like Nemo. But yeah, anyway, it didn't work out like I'd planned, like the whole project, but I'm pretty happy with him. And I've shown him pictures anyway to a couple people, and they really liked it, so I may do more of these. But yeah, anyway, hope you guys enjoyed it, and if you stuck through to the end, thanks for sticking in there, hanging in there. If you're a subscriber, I really do appreciate it. Thank you for your support. There's a lot of you guys that are always there and always comment, and I appreciate it. So on that, if you're not a subscriber, I'd like to invite you to become one if you like what I do. I try to do a video every week, so hopefully there'll be something you enjoy. Maybe get some ideas from me, or I don't know, maybe even learn something, who knows. So have a blessed week, and I hope you have a good week at work or whatever you may be doing this week. Stay safe and have a good one. Bye.